Let's go. All right, March 1st, work week 10, Supernova Design Company, Portland, Oregon. Getting back on our systems, losing a little focus last couple weeks, and really need to get it back. So today, again, back on the haul tree, we got the cutter heads back that didn't fit. I emailed the folks, they were super WGM. They were quickly responsive, and they did note that at the bottom there's instructions that said that basically the shaft is made a little bit wrong, is what I would say, but the tolerances on the pulley, on the little key, is slightly smaller than what Powermatic makes, and that the shaft is slightly larger so that you somehow have to machine it yourself. So we're gonna get that done today. We don't have a lathe, but we got some ideas, things we could maybe do with a drill and a file. So we're gonna make that work. Anyway, jointer, haul tree, getting back to our systems today. This is something that I've used with success. Basically every quarter I make one of these as my yearly goals, quarterly goals, and then each month I fill out the top part. Each week I fill out this part, and then roughly daily, or at least 3 or 4 times a week, I come down here and make sure that I'm working today in accordance with what's due. So we need to get that done. We need to get it done. Let's go. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's Tuesday, March 11th, work week 11. I've updated some drawings. The picture I saw looked too small, or looked too big for my aunt's giant piece of furniture. We took it, reduced it 6 inches in width, had a few chats, and we got the updated drawings, and we are back moving forward again. Kind of started out when I sent a picture to a buddy of mine trying to describe something. So that was the old one, just looked too wide. So that was 36 inches. Again, it's hard to tell the scale here, but here back to 30 inches, and also noticed that in the previous picture our top drawer was a lot smaller. The height was quite a bit smaller than the height of the small drawers underneath, so we made those the same, which makes it look better. All right, March 15th, Friday, end of work week 11. What do we got this week for let's talk about distractions, because that's the first thing that came to mind. I'm not sure if you want to call a kid's volcano. Yeah. Oh boy, nobody cleaned this up. Oh, I don't want the kids. Did the structure out of some scrap. What else? Got the cutting lengths of boards, again for the haul tree. We're trying to figure out if we want to do it on the miter saw or crosscut sled, which we had set up for the old, we had the old job site bench router table thing, and we made it for that, so we set that up today. What else? I have a philosophy where the changes is required. Yep. All right, so here's, oops, where's it at? All right, so here's our new in-feed and out-feed table. The 4, these are just big lag bolts. And what we did is we just adjusted it flat in there and out there, flat and level, and we're doing pretty good. Like I said, just one quick pass with the hand plane, and it gets rid of the snipe there at the end. Crosscut sled was another distraction from building a haul tree. So this guy, we basically just had to move our guides to the right spot. Work week 11, pretty much done. We're gonna work on the haul tree, cut some boards. Got a bunch of shorts and videos that we need to get posting. I think we had a massive 14 followers. So I'm trying to grow that, but I'm not too worried. Thursday vlog, March 20, work week 12. rolling around, fighting with the tools. Everything needs setup and repairs, it seems, but that is that. Making progress and going. Today we got the smoothing plane set up with the throw out a short on that one based on all the updates we needed to do to get it to work right. Say one more time, buddy. I had to sharpen the blade, flatten the chip breaker, shorten the handle screw, and move the frog. All of that, it didn't quite work so nice out of the box, but now it is working. So we're back to making furniture again. Okay, let's go. Friday, March 21st, work week 12. Tools are working, shop's working, panels are gluing, moving forward. Not much else to report, just working on this haul tree, and gotta knock some taxes out. Starting reaching out on LinkedIn to some folks here in not in Albuquerque, where I don't even know where I'm at. Portland. Moving forward, we have taxes coming up to do. Also reaching out on LinkedIn, starting to throw together some emails to reach out to folks, start getting work needed, and working on designs for the kitchen racks. Pretty excited. Can't wait to get this haul tree done and wrapped up and start on next adventures. Let's go.